What exciting opportunities would you explore if you found yourself in your 50s or 60s with minimal savings and retirement approaching on the horizon? It's a scenario many people encounter, embracing the culmination of decades of hard work while looking forward to the opportunity to slow down, explore passions, or simply savor life. However, with determination and creativity, these dreams can become attainable. If this resonates with you, hold on to hope. Even though it might seem like time is slipping away, the reality is there's always an opportunity to seize control of your financial future and embark on a journey toward a secure and fulfilling retirement. Draw motivation from Colonel Harlan Sanders, the visionary behind KFC. Sanders encountered various challenges throughout his life, including experiencing financial difficulties in his 60s. Instead of giving up, he channeled his energy into creating the Kentucky Fried Chicken empire, becoming a global success story in his later years. His perseverance and resourcefulness inspire us to believe that starting over and achieving greatness is always within reach. This video is here to inspire you with the tools and strategies that will help you take charge of your financial future. From crafting a robust financial plan to discovering new income opportunities, every step is realistic, attainable, and designed to support your flourishing retirement years. Let's dive in and turn your challenges into exciting opportunities for lasting financial security. First and foremost, embrace your starting point. Before starting any financial journey, it's important to recognize your current position. This involves crafting a comprehensive overview of your financial situation, highlighting your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Imagine it as creating a roadmap to your future. Understanding your starting point is essential to discovering the best path ahead. Start by compiling a list of all your income sources, including your salary, side gigs, and any passive income streams you may have. Next, keep an eye on your expenses to discover where your money is flowing. This should encompass fixed costs, such as rent or mortgage payments, along with variable expenses like dining out and entertainment. It's a great time to take a look at your savings and debts. What a great opportunity to think about how much you have saved for emergencies or retirement. What are your current balances on credit cards, loans, or other commitments? This evaluation goes beyond mere numbers. It's an exciting opportunity to recognize habits and patterns. Are there opportunities to reduce expenses or reallocate resources? This exercise can be inspiring and may reveal exciting opportunities to enhance your finances. It might seem daunting initially, but having a clear vision is truly uplifting. With this knowledge in hand, you have the power to make informed decisions and craft a financial plan that perfectly aligns with your aspirations. Keep in mind that clarity is the initial step toward empowerment. Second, create a resilient plan. A financial plan is incredibly important, particularly as you look forward to retirement. A well-prepared plan embraces the possibilities, going beyond a simple budget to consider potential challenges such as unexpected medical expenses, market fluctuations, and the joy of living longer than we might expect. It's about getting ready for the possibilities of life so you can embrace uncertainties with assurance. Begin by envisioning your retirement aspirations. Are you excited about the possibility of downsizing your home, exploring new places, or lending a helping hand to your family members? Next, outline your anticipated income sources, including Social Security, pensions, or investments. Next, think about your expected expenses, such as healthcare, daily living costs, and the possibility of long-term care. Explore financial planning tools or connect with a financial advisor to envision various scenarios. For instance, how might your finances thrive if you chose to retire earlier or later? What if inflation rises or your investments experience a downturn? This type of planning paints an encouraging picture of your financial future. The aim is to embrace the future by getting ready for it. Understanding how various scenarios could influence your finances brings a sense of reassurance and empowers you to take positive actions. A well-crafted, thoroughly tested plan prepares you for any challenges life may present, making your retirement dreams attainable and bright. Third, create an emergency fund. An emergency fund is your financial safety net, offering a wonderful cushion against unexpected expenses such as medical emergencies, home repairs, or job loss. It's particularly important as you near retirement, a period when your income may become more stable or set. Experts suggest saving 18 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. And if that seems challenging, beginning with small steps is a great way to start. Start by saving a month's worth of expenses and watch your progress grow from there. Consider trimming down on expenses or selling items you no longer need to give your fund a positive boost. Consider this fund as your safety net. Having it means you can confidently navigate tough times without the burden of high-interest debt, like credit cards. The location of this money is important as well. Choose a high-yield savings account, which provides more attractive interest rates than traditional accounts while ensuring your funds remain easily accessible. It's best to keep emergency funds out of stocks or other volatile assets. Focusing on stability is key rather than seeking growth. Creating an emergency fund requires dedication and patience, but it's a vital step toward achieving financial security. It protects your retirement savings from being diminished by life's unexpected surprises, empowering you to embrace the future with confidence. Fourth, enhance Social Security benefits. Social Security is an essential part of retirement income for many, and learning how to maximize your benefits can greatly enhance your financial future. Deciding when to claim benefits is a significant choice that will positively influence the amount you receive monthly for the rest of your life. Claiming benefits early, starting at age 62, will result in a lower monthly payout. For instance, if you choose to claim at 62 rather than your full retirement age of 67, you'll receive approximately 70% of your full benefit. Waiting until age 70 can boost your benefit by about 8% each year, leading to a payout that is 32% higher than at full retirement age. For the best decision, explore your estimated benefits on the Social Security website. Sign up to explore your earnings history and keep it accurate. Think about aspects such as your well-being, longevity, and financial requirements. If you're married, consider looking into spousal and survivor benefits as they can offer extra income opportunities. Maximizing Social Security involves thoughtful planning, and the benefits are truly rewarding. Grasping the system and making informed choices allows you to maximize this essential resource, paving the way for a bright retirement. Fifth, begin or enhance investments. Investing is a wonderful opportunity for building wealth, no matter when you begin your journey. While savings are important, exploring additional avenues for growth can help you stay ahead of inflation and create a more fulfilling retirement income. With smart investments, you can look forward to achieving remarkable financial growth over time. Explore a variety of affordable and diverse investment opportunities such as index funds or ETFs. These offer a wonderful opportunity to engage with the stock market while keeping things simple and affordable compared to actively managed funds. If you're looking for a great starting point, think about using a robo-advisor to craft a portfolio that aligns perfectly with your risk tolerance and aspirations. Embrace the opportunity to make catch-up contributions if you're over 50. For example, you have the opportunity to contribute an additional $7,500 annually to your 401k, greatly enhancing your retirement savings. Roth IRAs present a fantastic opportunity, providing tax-free growth and withdrawals during retirement. Investing can be straightforward and secure. Maintain a balanced portfolio of stocks and bonds, embracing both growth opportunities and stability. Consider steering clear of speculative investments, such as cryptocurrency or single stocks, to help protect your nest egg. Beginning a bit later requires focus, yet even minor, steady efforts can culminate in significant achievements as time goes on. Sixth, discover exciting new income opportunities. If you're behind on retirement savings, boosting your income can be a great way to close the gap. This could open up exciting opportunities like part-time work, freelancing, or turning a hobby into a source of income. Although the thought of working more may seem challenging, even modest boosts in income can lead to significant positive changes when invested thoughtfully. Begin by exploring your skills and interests. Are you able to provide consulting services in your area of expertise? Are there exciting freelance opportunities in areas like writing, graphic design, or tutoring? Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr provide great opportunities to discover gigs that align perfectly with your skills. Explore part-time jobs that provide flexibility, like retail, teaching, or administrative roles. If you're still employed full-time, consider the exciting possibilities of working overtime or discussing a potential raise. Postponing retirement by just a few years can enhance your Social Security benefits and provide additional time to save. Additional income streams enhance your financial resources and bring a fulfilling sense of purpose and engagement in your later years. Finding opportunities that align with your lifestyle and goals is essential, allowing you to work smarter, not harder, as you prepare for retirement. Seventh, embrace simplicity and streamline. Embracing a simpler lifestyle can open up opportunities to enhance your retirement savings. This could be an opportunity to downsize your home, sell unused items, or reduce discretionary expenses for a brighter future. Even though these changes might appear minor, they can lead to a remarkable cumulative effect. Begin by assessing your living situation. If your home is larger than you need or costly to maintain, think about the exciting possibility of downsizing to a smaller, more affordable property. Moving to a place with a lower cost of living can really make your retirement funds go a lot further. Clear out your belongings and find new homes for items you no longer need. From furniture to electronics, countless items can be transformed into cash through online marketplaces or garage sales. The proceeds can be a wonderful addition to your emergency fund or a great opportunity for investment. Simplifying your lifestyle is a wonderful opportunity to focus on what you truly cherish. It's all about prioritizing what brings you joy. By cutting down on unnecessary expenses, you'll gain greater freedom to invest in your bright future. Embracing downsizing and simplifying can be a wonderful way to take charge of your finances and pave the way for a secure and joyful retirement. Eighth, reach out for help and keep yourself updated. Facing financial challenges can feel overwhelming, yet there are plenty of resources to support you. Utilizing resources such as financial advisors, community programs, and online tools can offer valuable guidance and support as you embark on your retirement planning journey. Financial advisors provide personalized advice, guiding you to create a tailored plan that perfectly aligns with your goals. If hiring an advisor isn't feasible, consider the wonderful options available through free or low-cost resources. Numerous nonprofits and community organizations offer valuable financial counseling, particularly for seniors. Keep yourself updated on programs that can provide support for housing, healthcare, and utilities. For instance, state and local agencies frequently provide subsidies or discounts for seniors. Health savings accounts, HSAs, are a fantastic option, enabling you to save pre-tax dollars for medical expenses. It's important to approach decisions like reverse mortgages with careful research to ensure the best outcomes. These options can be considered if needed, but let's focus on our primary plan first. Instead, embrace the opportunity to build a strong financial foundation through planning, saving, and investing. Staying informed and seeking assistance when needed helps you maximize the wonderful resources at your disposal. You're not alone in navigating financial challenges. There's support available, and embracing it can truly transform your journey toward